Cancer is not an individual disease. It's a disease that affects the entire family unit. But when you hear the word cancer, you're going to go through a journey of emotions. And really you got to rely on your support mechanisms to get you through that journey, because you're going to feel so many different emotions at different times. Nobody, when they go see a doctor, wants to hear the cancer term. And for me and my wife, this was the second time. For me, the first time was almost numbing. This time was a little bit more concerning because I knew what my wife and my family went through. I think the family, and I certainly know my wife, suffers much more than I have ever suffered with any of my treatments. Them not knowing the unknown for them, maybe some of their feelings of helplessness to watch a loved one go through these different treatments, and it's a journey. Really, once we met with the radiology oncologist here, we left that meeting feeling very comfortable and very assured that we were on a correct path, and that, like the first cancer, we'll get through this. We'll get through this no matter what has happened. I started my radiation therapy. I have to say that everybody in that department has been nothing but a blessing. The friendly faces, the calmness, the caring that is associated with those people, for people walking in with the anxieties that most people have with cancer, is very reassuring. We are truly blessed to have so many dedicated people that are willing to sacrifice everything to take care of us who need it the most, and those are the patients who come to this hospital. When you go through this journey, understand the people who surround you, the people who love you, will always be there. Don't isolate them, don't turn inward, but turn outward.